Automate your information exchange processes between Rhino, Revit, and downstream apps with the new Dynamo and Grasshopper Data Exchange connector. A Revit architect uses the Dynamo connector package to filter and send a surface geometry into Autodesk docs. The exchange isolates the data relevant to the designer instead of sending the entire model. A designer exploring design options in Grasshopper uses the Data Exchange connector plugin to preview just the shared data from Revit and consume it through his Visual Script graph. Leveraging the Grasshopper script, the proposed surface is rationalized into a randomized dynamic triangular facade. The Grasshopper connector includes a component to send information about the facade back to Dynamo, Revit, or other apps. Back in Revit, the Dynamo connector brings the rationalized points of the panels as easily reconfigured native Revit adapted components. Updates made upstream in Grasshopper flow seamlessly through the same exchange to Dynamo and Revit. Streamline your automation workflows between Revit, Rhino, and downstream apps with the Dynamo and Grasshopper Data Exchange connectors.